this listening test, when the paper is in your hand, when audio is played, the first thing that you have to do, just keep reading. Look at a glance first, reading the text. And also, they will give you some time to read the text. They will say, look at the question 5 to 10. So and they just keep quiet and they give you 30 seconds for this one. In that 30 seconds, a lot of things can happen. You can find out which words as a keywords, and you try to understand what could be the other word for that. For example, they will say the visit. What could be the other words for the visit? The travel might be tour, cycle tour. They will say trip. Understood? They will say you have to make a design, make a car. They will say design a car, build a car. They will say something to make, something to manufacture. So whenever you see one word in the text, that might be some adjectives or some keywords that you can find, oh, this might be. So you try to understand the other words, try to understand and remember the substitute words. Here your training starts. Here you can come with maximum focus, concentration that it requires. When you have understood and you have just looked at a glance all the questions, text, when the conversation, the audio will start, that you can understand, oh, you will try to catch the keywords, when what they are talking about and where the text or written as a questions. When both of it matching, I think it is up to you to catch it, observe it faster. It happens with you. Well, if you have to go for the second is only a monologue, a person's speech. So a person will be speaking something on a certain topic, that might be the explanation of the map, construction area, or any radio program, any kind of information that's quite social. You have to understand, you have to come across with some multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions, they will ask you and they will give you some options to you, and you have to choose A, B, or C. So the third will be a kind of group discussion that you are listening to among professor students. Here, educational conversation means you are going to listen to that, something like terms, project, assignment. These are the words that you can find. Be ready what they're talking about. Just read the title, subtitle, see the keywords, be ready with the answers. Here you need complete focus. And finally, that means you are going to listen to a lecture, the last one.